Hi everyone, I'm Mimi. Today we're going to draw a cute little house together. First, we'll draw a huge house. We will then add flowers and trees around it. After drawing the sun and rainbow in the sky, we will add clouds around them. If you have your paper and pencils ready, let's all start drawing. Let's all draw the same thing together. We begin the drawing by first sketching a large triangle shape. This will form the roof of the house. We draw a large rectangle directly below the triangle. This will form the outline of our house. Then we add a door to the right side of the drawing. We'll draw a small window to the left of the door. Then we'll paint the glass of this window blue. We'll draw a small chimney on the roof. Chimneys are usually made of brick, and they expel bad odors from inside the house. I'm drawing a flower bed on the right side of the house. We'll do the same on the left side. We'll color these grass drawings green later. Let's draw a large circle representing the sun in the sky. Now we draw a large tree trunk on the right side of the house, and then we draw even larger tree leaves on top of it. We'll draw two clouds just above the sun. We'll connect the clouds with horizontal lines to draw a rainbow. After drawing the rainbow, we'll draw a few more clouds and then move on to coloring them.